Hey guys, what is up? It is I, the Concrete Catwalk. This video is going to be a little bit different. It's three things that I want to say to you guys. Number one, it's happy holidays. And if you celebrate, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa to all. I want to say thank you for stopping by every Sunday to check out my videos that I post. I do this because I enjoy it. I do this because it is so much fun. And the biggest reason I do it is because I get the chance to interact with you all. You guys are the reason why I do this. It has been an incredible year for me. Growth with my channel, growth with connecting with all of you guys who make this such a fun experience and such a fun journey. I wanted to take the time to say thank you. This is the last video that I am going to be doing for this year. At the top of the year, new content, new ideas. So I'm asking you guys if there's anything that you'd like to see from me, if there's anything that you'd like to see me do, if there's anything you'd like to see me share. I'm here to share and I'm here to tell you all about my experiences. You guys, with that, thank you so much for sticking with me. 2022, the best is yet to come. I am excited about everybody who has come on board. My catwalkers, you guys are awesome. Thank you. I'm gonna hand it over to myself so that you can see all of the things that we've gone through together. I just wanted to share all of those snippets to show you all the growth that I'm making, the growth that I still have to do in this journey. I can't do it without you guys. Before you guys panic, this is not champagne. This is sparkling cider. I wanted to toast you guys. So thank you. Enjoy the recap. Bye for now. So you guys, this is my first video of 2021. A little bit of show and tell.
What's the matter?
You guys, Chanel has got me in my feelings. much for coming along with me on this journey together. 2022 has more to come. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Come on along. We're here to do this together. The links to my socials will be listed below, and I will see you all in 2022. Be safe. Bye for now. 2022, here we come.